Okay, good morning guys. So here is another mixture ng mga organic. So the first one, anong mixture natin? One coconut pit. Po. Then another one, rice, carbonized rice hulls. Another one is what? Vermicast. And one topsoil and one animal manure. So, ilan lahat? Apat, ano? So, ito yung gagamitin naming mix pa for this. Ilan lahat? Apat? Four? Rika? Sand. So, bali 5 yung pinaghalo po namin. So, and it's
galit na.
ingredients sa may magamit ay may mga function sa halaman. Like the coconut pit ay para sa pinaka-fiber siya, and the rice hulls ay para naman na mag-hold ng tubig, hindi para madasik ang natiling buhagag ang lupa. So yeah, the animal manures and ano yung isa sa bulate, yung galing sa bulate, this is vermicast, ay complete nutrients siya, the NPK o nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. So yun yung ibinibigay ng vermicast. The other one, yung isa pa yung animal manure is rich in nitrogen. So yun yung mga function ng bawat isa na inihahalo natin. If you can see hindi kasama yung tuhod ni Ale. If you can see the physical characteristic ng appearance nung pinaghalo namin. So maganda sa tingnan. Now, tapos na ang paghalo. We're going to put it again sa kaha ng sigarilyo, the cigarette packs. And
cigarette pack is dangerous to you.
for the box ulit ilalagay and ready for planting na ulit or what else yung pagpupunla ng, again, this is a eggplant seeds ang aming gagamitin. So these two members ay medyo pasensya na po at nagkakaintindihan na po ito. That's why I asked them na mag-perform para baka mas maganda ang halaman. So the other one, so Renz and Rika and also sa Hazen. And the small beautiful girl there is Princess. What are you doing, Princess? Mixing. Okay, so parang kulang. Okay, the little boy there is so handsome. Aya. Ay. Okay, that's all guys. Let's see hanggang sa pagtubo nito kung ano magiging resulta nito. So it is really nice. It's a new knowledge. And this process is usually ginagamit if you want to have what we call it, organic plants. So you start from here, from the seed bed, and to the next, up to the harvest. No? And listen for the small girl for what she's saying. You want to say something? Yeah.
Hi, mommy.
Yes. More. Say hi to the here. Look at here. Come on. Okay. Kulang, gawa na uli. Ganun na lang, isang ganung process na uli. Yeah. Ay, naku! Sorry. Okay, that's all. Okay, that's all guys. See you next video.